Technology is transforming how we work, with amazing machines taking efficiency to the next level. These incredible innovations handle complex tasks effortlessly, saving time and boosting productivity. Get ready to see how these cutting-edge machines make the impossible look easy. Stretch ceilings are super cool and such a creative design innovation. This machine allows you to charge your phone by converting the energy from your exercise into electrical power. Cecil cheese is one of Turkey's most beloved dairy products, known for its rich flavor and traditional production process. Watch the magic of precision cutting. This tool slices through thick black rubber with ease, delivering the ultimate satisfaction in every cut. A two-shaft shredder is a powerful machine designed for shredding solid materials such as wood, e-waste, metal, plastic, and scrap. It operates using two rotating shafts equipped with sharp blades, which break down large materials into smaller, manageable pieces. This shredder is commonly used in recycling and waste management industries due to its durability and efficiency. I'd love to learn how to make something like that for my home. It would be amazing to have. It could add a unique, functional space with a cool secret underground hideaway. Thermoplastic paint for tactile ground surface indicators. Provides durable, high-visibility cues for visually impaired individuals in public spaces. It's resistant to wear, suitable for various weather conditions, and enhances safety through reflective properties. This ensures long-lasting accessibility and mobility assistance. This sorting machine uses sensors and mechanical components to automatically identify and separate items based on size, weight, or material. It streamlines sorting processes in industries like manufacturing or recycling for increased efficiency. Small spaces are being filled with soil and compost so that they can be used for gardening. Save yourself from back pain, time, and tedious work with this efficient gardening tool. It makes tasks easier and more comfortable, allowing you to garden with less effort. These plastic wrapping machines for farmers are operating on a whole new level, revolutionizing the efficiency and convenience of the process. Garlic seeds can be planted automatically and precisely using a specialized seed planting machine. This equipment allows two people to efficiently operate it, planting rows of garlic seeds with ease. Look at these road workers, how perfectly they are painting the signs on the road. This machine effortlessly uses its powerful suction and rotating nozzle to remove dirt, debris, and stagnant water from large drains, clear roads, and clean blocked manholes, disposing of the waste in a highly efficient manner. This machine performs exceptionally well in crushing large stones into fine gravel, delivering powerful and efficient results. The auger bore pile machine is a powerful tool used for deep foundation drilling, particularly in construction projects. It operates by using a large rotating auger drill to excavate soil and create deep cylindrical holes, which are then filled with concrete to form pile foundations. This machine is highly efficient for creating stable support structures in various ground conditions, including soft soil and rock. Its precision and ability to handle large depths make it ideal for building foundations, bridges, and other heavy infrastructure. Additionally, it minimizes ground disturbance, ensuring safer and cleaner operations. This cutting-edge machine effortlessly lifts and removes solid, sturdy floors as smoothly as slicing through butter. Check out this powerful suction machine operating at an incredible efficiency level. It quickly vacuums large amounts of soil, mud, and debris, creating empty spaces in no time. The speed and precision with which it clears the area is truly impressive, making it perfect for large-scale excavation or cleaning projects. This advanced machine significantly reduces manual labor and enhances productivity. Its performance takes heavy-duty cleaning and excavation to a whole new level. Sewing natural brooms involves binding and stitching natural fibers into a sturdy cleaning tool. The process shown on your screen illustrates the industrial production of cone ice cream, often found in fast food restaurants. The machine used in this process is designed to automate every step, from mixing the ice cream base to shaping it into the perfect cone. It works by pumping the ice cream mixture into the cones while maintaining the correct temperature and texture. The machine then freezes the ice cream in place, ensuring consistent quality and precise portion control. This efficient system allows for mass production, ensuring the iconic cone is ready to be served in high volumes.